In this video, we're going to explore the theme builder within Google Slides. The theme builder allows you to customize existing themes to include things such as logos or design choices, and then save these for future use. To navigate to your theme builder, simply go to the View menu and click on the third option. This will open up the theme builder interface. From here, you can choose which basic theme you'd like to work from, give your theme a title, and make a lot of changes to your theme based on the layouts that you want. Navigating to the initial slide will give you the basic layout for your theme design. Here you can change things such as the background color, where you can put in an image if you'd like to include your own branding as the background itself, and where you can change the colors within your theme. This allows you to change things like the text, for example, of your titles, and this will apply to all subsequent slides as well. You'll notice down the left-hand side, besides our main theme box, we also have our different layouts. This means that any time that you create a slide with one of these layouts, it will apply the changes that you make within this. If you're working on another presentation and you'd like to reuse the theme that you made before, all you need to do is go to Slide, Change Theme, and then you can import the theme from the presentation that you previously created. Once you do so, this will apply all of your color schemes, branding, and any other changes that you made within the theme builder. Thanks for watching. Here at the Live Learning Company, we aim to take the hassle out of tech and put the human back into digital training. We deliver scalable training sessions in productivity and collaboration apps such as Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Our sessions are delivered live by trainers, meaning you can ask questions as you learn. Click on the link to see our website and learn more.